Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a persona in Character AI. It allows you to design a unique virtual character with specific traits and attributes. Follow the simple steps to set up your own persona. First, launch with Character AI application on your device. Once you're on the home page, proceed in the next step. Navigate to the Create section, look at the bottom and then tap Create. For available option, select Persona. Here you can define the details of your persona. Give it a name. Set a key attributes like put a gender, age, eye color, and more. Then you can describe the personality. You can add your likes, dislikes, behavior, and tone. Then after that, you can also upload an avatar is optional. You can add image to represent the persona. And once you're satisfied with the details, tap Save Changes at the bottom. And congratulations, your character AI persona is now created and ready to use. And that's it. You can now start chatting with your custom characters. I hope this video helped you and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.